Upgrade your transmission's performance with our O standard wiring harness. Engineered for CVT, dual clutch, and heavy-duty transmissions, this harness uses 16 AWG copper wires and flame-retardant insulation, certified for 170 degrees Celsius heat resistance. What sets us apart? Custom molding, tailored for your transmission model. EMC protection, shielded against interference for smooth shifting. Rigorous testing, salt spray, aging, and voltage withstand checks. Our factory in Dongguan has 20,000 square EMA production space and VR tour available. With IATF 16949 certification, we meet the strictest automotive standards, ready to transform your vehicle's electrical system. Request a sample or get a custom quote. Don't forget to follow us for more automotive wiring tips and exclusive offers.